Today I'm cooking mushroom fried rice with tofu for my family. It is nutritious, simple, and very delicious. This fried rice can be served as a vegetarian fried rice. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of cooked rice. I recommend using a day-old rice for its texture. 100 grams of frozen mixed vegetable, defrost. 70 grams of yellow onion cut into cube, 2 tablespoons of spring onion chopped for garnishing, 100 grams of fried tofu cut into cube, 50 grams of shiitake mushroom cut into cube, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, half tablespoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of thick soy sauce for color, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Switch on the heat to medium in a non-stick pan. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and wait for about 1 minute to heat it up. After 1 minute, wash and add the shiitake mushroom. Stir to coat them with the oil. Then add the fried tofu and stir until well combined. Add all the yellow onions, mixed vegetable, and salt. Stir to mix the vegetable until well combined. Then cover the pan and let it cook for 4 minutes or until they are all cooked. Stir occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 4 minutes, open the lid. The smell of shiitake mushroom and onions are very fragrant. Give it a stir. The onions are also getting soft and translucent, which means they are cooked. Next, reduce the heat to low and add the rice. Spread it evenly around the pan, breaking any large lumps. Then add the seasoning, pepper, sugar, sesame oil, the rest of garlic oil, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, and 2/3 of the crispy fried garlic. Now increase the heat to medium. Stir to mix until the seasoning are well combined and the color of the rice is even. This can take up to 2 to 3 minutes of constant stirring. Press any lumps of rice with the back of the spatula to break them. After 2.5 minutes, the rice is now evenly browned. Give it a taste. More seasoning can be added as preferred, so I am adding quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir to mix it well. Taste it again. This time, it is perfect. Sprinkle 2/3 of the chopped spring onions over the mushroom fried rice with tofu and stir. Switch off the heat. Now we can dish out and serve. Garnish with the rest of the crispy fried garlic and spring onion. Let's eat! So delicious. The fragrance of garlic is aromatic, while the mushroom is chewy and tasty. The rice is very fluffy. Tofu is tender and soft. Overall, it's a perfect meal for breakfast or lunch or even dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!